You've probably already taken enough photos and videos to create a reel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use those photos and videos on your camera roll to create a reel. Hi, I'm Wonderful Ida, a digital course video producer based in Vancouver, Canada. I teach video production to service providers so that they can film once to teach many. If you have a course idea and want to learn how to film yourself, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel because I have new videos out every Wednesday. First thing you need to consider when you want to create a reel from your existing photos and videos on your camera roll is to get everything organized. It's a pain in the butt trying to go through all your photos and your videos, trying to find which one to add next. So I strongly suggest that you take the time to first go through all the shots and figure out which ones you want to use in your reel and then add them all to one album. So I'm going to create a reel from an event that I did camera for. So I'm going to go to my photos and I'm going to scroll back. I'm going to press select so that I can easily select the shots I want, and I'm just going to scroll back and start picking shots. So I'm going to pick a bunch of photos. Here's some photos, some videos. So I'm picking these at random. If I was creating this for myself, I would take the time to individually view all the shots and make sure that I pick the ones that I like best. So once you have the ones that you want to add selected, you can go press the forward button and then add to album. You can name your album, and then all your clips that you put are in that particular album. So to create a reel out of that, you can go into your profile, click the plus button, select reel, and you're in Reels. Starting by picking a song is going to help you set the tone for your reel. By picking a song with a faster beat, you're going to want to have more quick shots in it, shorter clips, and if the beat's a little bit slower, then you're going to want to have longer clips so that it matches with the music. Because I can't share the audio for this due to copyright infringements, I'm not going to pick a song, but do consider that first. To add clips from your camera roll, all you do is swipe up and then you'll see your camera roll appear there. So here, when I swipe up, it's going to show me all of my recent shots, but I can click right where it says recent and I can select the album that I want for it to show up in. So this is my album, and now it's going to take me to the album of my clips. So I can add a video clip, I can select a video clip. You'll see here that it allows me to scale. I can zoom in, I can hold my fingers down and I can rearrange where it's going to, how zoomed in and where it's going to appear in my shot. Say I do all this and I don't like it, by pressing the little box icons, I can go back and it's going to show me the original. But say I want to crop it so it's there, that looks nice. And then I can trim my clip. There we go. So that it appears well in that shot. So let's add that clip. There's another really fun feature when you're adding photos. So we're in our main screen, we're going to swipe up and we're going to look for live photos. With live photos, your camera records what's happening 1.5 seconds before and 1.5 seconds after you take the shot, and then it picks the best frame to share as your photo. So to activate live photos, you're going to see it in the top right corner. See, if I click on that, it's going to say live off. The circle has no line against it, then live is on. And then so when you take the photo, you can see I'm taking the photo, and I'm just going to do a little bit of movement. And when I look back at that photo, it's going to pick that shot of the photo. But then if I view the photo, I can hold down and then I can see the movement that happens before and after. That is what you're going to be able to access within your reels. So you can see here how this photo is a live photo. When I click on it, it's going to give me two options on the bottom. So the first one has an X through it, and that shows nothing. And then the second one, you can see the movement that I did with my phone as I shot it. So I can trim that movement. So you can see that photo, it's still a photo, but it adds that extra life element to it. Or if I want to add just a regular photo, let's see, where's a photo, another photo. Here, this photo doesn't have that live circle on it, so if I add it, it's not going to give me that option to change it into a moving photo. Instead, I'm only going to get the scale option. So I can zoom in and scale, and if I hold my fingers down on my screen, I can adjust where that photo is going to show. There we go. And then if I'm not happy with that, I can always click back and it's going to revert it to the original. So when you're adding your clips, it's a matter of adding photo and video clips and trimming it to go with the music so that it creates a fun, engaging reel for you to share. So there you have it. Now you can create reels from photos and videos on your camera roll. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, or better yet, leave me a comment below. I have new videos out each and every Wednesday. Until next time, peace!